Hey beautiful souls, I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's video we have a delicious sausage spaghetti. That was a little tongue twister right there. Delicious sausage spaghetti. And it's flavored with some Jamaican jerk seasoning, so it has those nice warm earthy vibrant flavors. The vegetables were delicious in here. Like the peppers, they weren't too soft. I like when my peppers have a little bit of a bite to them. So let's get into the recipe. I'm using the hot Italian premio pork sausage, taken off the casing, taken out of the casing, and cut into bite-sized pieces. They almost look like meatballs, which was intentional. And you're gonna brown this on the stove in some oil till they get like this, nice and brown. And then you'll remove them from the pot and take out, if you have a lot of oil, you just only need a little bit of oil. So I did remove some of the oil from the pot. And then you're going to add some chopped onion. And then we're adding bell peppers, scallion, tomato, some scotch bonnet pepper. And then you're going to saute this. And as you can see, all those brown bits at the bottom of the pan from the sausage, they'll come up with the juices that flow out of your vegetables. So now all that flavor is going to be in your pasta sauce. So good. And I did add some cilantro. You're going to saute that for about 5 minutes, and then you'll go ahead and add your browned sausage back to the pot and give that a nice good mix. This is a very, very fast recipe. There's really nothing to it but to do it, okay? Very quick recipe. You have one of those days where you want to make something good for the family, but you want it to be quick. This is one of those things. Very quick but delicious meal. I'm using tomato, basil, bowl and basket pasta sauce. They were on sale, okay? I have become the sale queen, all right? I picked up like 3 of those. I think they were 3 for $10 or something like that. Anywho, now we're seasoning this up. I'm adding some black pepper, some allspice. Remember, I wanted this to have a nice Jamaican flair to it. Added some garlic powder. If you have minced garlic, use it. I have a very little bit yet left, so I didn't want to use it in this dish. And then here's the Jamaican jerk seasoning that I am using. You do not want to add seasoning salt to this because the pasta sauce has salt, the sausage has salt, and the jerk seasoning has salt. So you don't want to over salt this, all right? And that's it. That's all. Now your sausage is done. Your essentially your sausage sauce is done. And then all we're going to do is plate up. I have some spaghetti that I already had made. And you're just going to have to add that to a bowl and toss it all together. Or you can just put your spaghetti on a plate and pour it over your spaghetti. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted it lathered in that jerk pasta sauce. So good. And now my favorite part, bringing the plate together. Yes, yes, and yes. So good. Look at the colors. That's why I like adding an array of bell peppers to certain dishes, because it just, I love the colors that it brings to a plate. Absolutely love it. And I'm adding some dried oregano. The dried oregano on this hit. It was so good. And then I'm also going to add some cilantro. I loved it. Like when I could taste the oregano in each bite, it just brought the flavor together. A very nice fusion, easy fusion dish. Okay, adding the allspice, adding the Jamaican jerk seasoning takes this to the next level, so you're not getting no boring spaghetti that we typically have. Even if it's good, this will spice up your life, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you to everyone who has tuned in. Thank you to all new subscribers. God bless and peace.